Hello, good day everyone. We are back in the garage working on the Repu. Now it's cold, it's really cold today. So I don't know how long I will be here today. The video might become quite short. Let's see. Yeah, plan, like nothing happened too far from last time. Today my attempt will be to get the wheel bearings out from the front hubs, and potentially I'll try to attempt to push out the wheel bearings from the rear axle, so those guys, because I still need to sandblast the dust shield where the whole rear brake is mounted on. Now for that I bought a new tool. It's manual, since I don't have a press. It's basically various size discs which basically should fit onto the wheel bearing. I can mount it on this stick, and with the hammer I can apply equal force onto the wheel bearing, so they should in theory come off. Now let's see if that works. I'm not too worried about damaging the old ones, they are going out anyway. And yeah, if I get both of these done, I might do some sandblasting again. I still have, as I said, the dust shields from the rear brakes that need to be sandblasted. I still have the battery cover, sorry, the battery tray that I need to sandblast. And there was one other thing which I don't remember what it was. Oh yeah, the cover of the differential. Now the diff is still sitting here in its cozy little tray. I just would need to remove the nut, remove the connecting rod point thingy here with the seal. Then I would need to start clean this up. Main problem, we figured out, or my colleague actually told me, that this rotary tool with the metallic top to clean up all the dirt and dust and stuff, it's not here. A friend lent it out, which means I can't even prepare the rear axle, which I kind of wanted to do. And then take a day off next week and just bring it over for sandblasting. Not gonna happen, unfortunately. So yeah, I don't know. I might do it some manual with some brushes, or I'll just leave it for now. Yeah, I don't know yet. I would really like to start mounting the rear axle up again, because a lot of parts will be gone from the boxes, which gives us back some space, which should be good. But yeah, it's not a highest priority right now. So yeah, let's see how I get these wheel bearings out, if I get them out at all. And yeah, then let's see what happens. All right, let's crack on. Good afternoon, everyone. It's Sunday right now, and I'm back at the garage. I will not be here for a very long time. I will actually go over to another friend. He is nearby. He has a shop on his own over there. Not a big shop, just something small. But he is offering me to run some errands, which I usually can't because I'm working not nearby. So I have no chance during working hours, normal office hours, to go and, for example, drop off the brake calipers for overhauling. So he offered himself, he could do that just before he goes to work during the course of next week. So I will bring him these brake calipers, these two. He will make sure they get dropped off and they get overhauled. And also here, these axles. Now, yesterday, we removed the bolt that is going around here, that is holding it in. But we couldn't get the wheel out, the bearing. So this guy is still here. And I actually need to have it removed for multiple reasons. First of all, I can't get the brake shield out, and I need to get that out for sandblasting, and then hopefully, finally, get this guy prepared to get together again. So then we need to press in the new bearings and everything. And what you saw on the video already is we removed the bearings, the inner and outer bearings from the front wheel hubs. So they're both gone. I have the new ones here already. So I will also drop these off. He will make sure the new bearings are getting pressed in. So this will be major, finally. So I can continue. Meaning that as soon as I have the brake shields, I will have my hopefully last sandblasting session. These shields, the battery tray, and the bigger, I don't know what they are, the bigger, these guys here, these two, those are for the lower control arms in the front. Yeah, so we can get finally starting to assemble. Now the front I could have already started, but for the big ones, they're also somewhere in this pile of junk. For the big ones, I still need to get another set of bearings. I only ordered one to my own fault, and I need two. So I need to get that ordered still from the US. But I will still start. So that in case I realize I've got something else, I can still order that as well and have that all delivered at once. Right, so for today, I will basically just pack up the stuff. I might assemble the upper control arms in the front. These, they just have like something in between. I will probably just do that quickly and then get moving to my friend's place. And at 5 o'clock, I already need to be back at home, not at home, but at the archery club. We have a little training, so I don't want to miss that either. All right. So let's move the control arms in. All right, let's install those guys. I'll just place you opposite of me. Okay, so we have the new upper control arms. These are the upper control arms. These two will basically be used to put the distance to align the wheels accordingly. Now I'm going to have one major problem. I don't have the ratchets with me. That's before not the right size. It's still in the shop and I don't have a key for the shop. Yeah, that's unlucky. Let me just get Alrighty. And the question is, where does this need to sit? Is it on the inside or is it on the outside? I guess inside. But I need to check if it needs to go over it. I guess so. Ah, crap. Alright. Yeah, with proper grease, that should easily work. So, and just like that, we have the upper control arms together. Now, this will need to move something like this, meaning here's the distance to the chassis. And so I still need to grease them up. There needs to be fat inside. We'll do that once it's assembled. Yeah, and then the rest of the bolts and everything. But yeah, that is just preparation. Alrighty, so I put everything in my trunk. I have the new wheel bearings for the front axle, or for the front wheel hubs, the brakes and the axles. So my colleague will take care of these to get them, well, the bearings pressed out and so on. And my car is dirty. And I'm actually also taking the axle with me, the rear axle. I basically just want to check. I haven't asked him yet, but I have the hope that he might just bring it over to the guys that sandblasted the frame, so they can get that done also in the course of the next 2 weeks, because then we are actually in a very good shape to get everything at least started to assemble. It's going to be another challenge, obviously, because yeah, putting it back together is always the bigger problem than taking it apart. So I will be heading over there. I'm not sure if I will film over there. If not, have a good weekend and a good start into the fresh week. Otherwise, we will see each other over there. And yeah, hope to see you soon again. Sorry for the short video this time. There wasn't too much to be done. Again, we don't have the tools like the press and stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be a shorter one, but we can all look forward to start assembling the truck. And then it's going to be more fun again, up to the point where we then have to start on the cabin, which is then going to be a long-lasting and cumbersome process. All right, everyone, take care and see you soon. Bye-bye.